Ladies and gentlemen, what you just witnessed is a DIY micro metal lathe. Made in America, even. What we got here, we got an aluminum extrusion that we doubled up. It's a 0.40 extrusion, or 40 aluminum, I think is what it's called. We got a little cross slide from Amazon, very small one, little rigged up tool holder. I did put a quick change, one of those little aluminum quick change tool posts on there, and it works, but I'm still playing around with this to see exactly how I want it. Got a 65 millimeter chuck on there, a steel one, not one of those zinc ones, and a little 10 millimeter to 14 millimeter threaded adapter for the chuck. It's a K01 or K01 chuck, if you're looking for one. One of those little arbors that you can make a cross drilling attachment or pretty much anything you want. A 6-inch piece of 10 millimeter precision ground steel for an axis, and it's run by a cordless drill. I tried using a sewing machine motor, and it kept stalling out and giving me a rough finish. I tried a different drill, an old motor actually from a drill, and for some reason it didn't work properly. It might have been the gearing, because it was just the motor. So I said to heck with it, and I just put a cheap Menards cordless drill on there. They had them on sale for $17.95. It had a keyless chuck on it. I put a keyed chuck on there. I like those better for certain things. And for now, all I do is slap the motor in, and it runs. Oh, lost power there. I had to snap the battery in. So, all the pieces to make this are available on Amazon or eBay. I was going to get one of those zinc chucks, the Z, 01 or 01 or whatever it is. But I decided to go with the better chuck, and it's a little larger, 65 millimeter rather than 50 millimeter. So, going to do some more playing with it, some more fine tuning. Any suggestions you got? It's just, I wanted to make it just because I wanted to make it. And it actually turned out quite well. I'd say it turned out as well. Oh, I do have a tailstock for it too. It turns out as well as those little Chinese 12 volt and 24 volt micro lathes, and it didn't cost nearly as much. I got about, I don't know, with the chuck was a splurge. I got probably 125 into it, but it's handling things just fine. Eventually, I will come up with a motor, but for now, just using a cordless drill seems to work just fine. You all have yourself a good day. Bye.